Well, hello to you, dear creature of Earth. I am Metapixelatron. If you've been paying attention to the true news worldwide, you probably have already heard of this information that I am about to share with you. The court has denied Trump's request to restore the travel ban for refugees and travelers from 7 predominantly Muslim countries around the world. Donald Trump has taken the opportunity to insult the judge who denied him. Indeed, Trump called him a so-called judge, whose ridiculous ruling will be overturned. Some people are saying that Trump is not a dictator, and does not have the authority to disrupt the balance of power between the branches of government. But wait, there's more. This judge is actually a Republican himself. Yes, indeed, he is. Judge James Robert is a Republican, who used to be a highly respected corporate lawyer in Seattle, later being appointed by President George W. Bush to the federal bench. He has been described as an even-tempered, also very strict, judge, who believes in the rule of law. Sounds like a virtuous judge, right-o? This means that there is a meaningful opposition to Trump from other Republicans. This makes sense, since a lot of Trump's plans go against libertarian principles. It seems like a lot of Republicans can already see the similarities between the National Socialist agenda and the plans for America, which are being promoted by the alt-right white nationalists. Some in the alt-right are calling for Trump to use the Patriot Act to acquire full dictatorial powers, so he can impose his will by force, like a true dictator. Can you smell that freedom already? Some would say that Americans are about to experience freedom like never before, isn't that so? But seriously, this is yet another turning point for humanity. The future depends on the Republican Party's ability to contain the extremist alt-right white nationalist infiltration in their party. The Republican Party has no one to blame now, since they have the House and Senate. But, can they protect their own party from being sabotaged by National Socialists? They sure seem to be trying really hard to deny the authority of Trump. John, don't you think so? Looks like the Trump train is running out of leadership juice, don't you think so? Tell me in the comments, do you believe that the Republican Party has the power to prevent the total infiltration in their party? The universe is watching, history in the making. Dark times are upon us, but there is hope that truth, justice and compassion shall prevail.